Hey you, and welcome to this video. Today I will help you out by showing you how to locate ancient cities in Minecraft. They can be a little bit tricky to find because unlike, for example, the treasure map or the woodland explorer or the trial chambers map, there isn't really any way to locate the ancient city other than trial and error. However, there is some things you can do to speed up that process. Ancient cities generate under mountain biomes like this. I think the name is the meadow biome. Then the only thing you want to do is go to the meadow biome and just start digging down. There can be a cave entrance, but it can be a little bit tedious to find. I know for a fact there's an ancient city below here, and I'll show you. I believe they generate mostly around Y minus 40, but don't quote me on that exactly. Let's turn on our Alt F3 and we can see our coordinates. So now we are at 122, which is of course very high, but we are in a mountain biome, so you would kind of expect that. And we are going to dig all the way down to minus 40, I think. However, at minus 25 we should already be digging into it, because of course that is where the roof will start. This is a bit of a process. That is why I'm going to turn back off my Alt F3 mode, so you don't have to see everything. Great way to collect cobblestone as well. I think we should be there any second we start hitting deep slate. Of course. And you can already see these sculk sensors going off. So we are still in stone layers. Any second, like I said, we are going to hit deep slate, which is around Y0. And as you can see, we have successfully mined into the ancient city. And this is where you want to be quiet. I've already looted this entire thing. However, now you know exactly how to get into the ancient city and where they generate. As you can see, this is Y level minus 28. I think the bottom is minus 40. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing, and we will see you in the next one. Bye bye.